Welcome to TinkerSpace. Now let's move the HF-based control lamp. Here we use ultrasonic sensor as input and its function is to detect hand. Here we use LED lamp as output and its function is to glow light as per the command. And here we have used TinkerSpace Brain Board and also connecting wires and battery. Now let's do the connections. Here we connected ultrasonic sensor to input 3 and LED lamp to output 1.
Now let's do the coding. Open the TinkerSpace app. Choose your Tinker board. I will select Brain Board. Here, click on Create New Project and type your project name. After typing your project name, click on Save New Project. Here, the design space has been opened. Now, as per the hardware connection, I will add the input and output devices. As an input, I am adding ultrasonic sensor and LED lamp as output. Go to the menu and click on Save. Now the design has been saved successfully. Go to the menu and click on Go to Code Space. The code space has been opened. Click on Add or Edit Input Condition. Select Hardware Input Condition. Distance with 3 condition. Click on Select this condition. In distance 1 to 20 cm, I will select Decrement till 0%. Save setting. In distance 21 to 40 cm, I will click on Increment till 100%. Save settings. And in distance 40 above, I will click on Do Nothing. Save settings. And I will add some delay for both the condition. Around 0.3 seconds of delay I'm gonna add. Click on Save Settings. Here the coding part is done. In the gesture control lamp project, when we move our hand towards the ultrasonic sensor in distance 1 to 20 cm, the brightness of the LED lamp will decrease. And when we move our hand upwards from the ultrasonic sensor in distance 21 to 40 cm, the brightness of the LED lamp will increase. And when we move our hand on the ultrasonic sensor, the brightness will gradually increase and gradually decrease. For the smooth transition, I added some delay to both the condition. Around 0.3 seconds of delay is suffice to the smooth function of the LED lamp. The code has been done, so click on Save Code. Now the generated code has been saved successfully. Go to the menu and click on Upload Code. Here you have two options. First one, USB upload. Second one, Wi-Fi upload. Now enter your device ID. Now I will enter my device ID. My device ID is Tinkers125. So now I will enter my device ID. My device ID I have entered. Now I will click on Wi-Fi upload. To upload the code, follow these 3 steps. Step number 1, turn on mobile hotspot. So set your hotspot name to tinkerspace.in and the password is tinkers123. Step number 2, click on flash or code switch of your Tinker board about 4 to 5 seconds and your board will be automatically connected to this hotspot. Now step number 3, click on search my device button. Now your device is searching and the device is connected. Now click on Upload Code. Now the generated code is going to the server and now it is uploading to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. The generated code has been successfully uploaded to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. Here we finished our coding part. Now let's do the hardware part.
Coding is finished. Now let's test the project. Here we finished the model of our project. Here we fixed ultrasonic sensor, LED lamp here. Now let's do the demo. When the person brings his hand near to the ultrasonic sensor, the brightness of the light decreases, and when he moves it far, it eventually increases the brightness of the light.
Hope you enjoyed this project. Download our TinkerSpace app where you can find more model ideas suitable for this project. Do you like gifts? We have some giveaways waiting for you. Just follow the next steps to claim your Tinker gift. Open your TinkerSpace app and create this project code as per the tutorial. Then share this code to me by clicking the button Share to Teacher. Here you have to enter your name, school, class, phone number and click Send. We will go through code of each student and we will pick 25 students per month who will receive our giveaway TinkerSpace project. Why waiting? Do this project code and grab your kit for free. Thank you and stay connected with us.